guys, in this project we will be computing several network metrics using the Network X package. The dataset that we used contains over 500 records describing relationships for about 65 unique Harry Potter characters. For those who are familiar with the books and movies, I'm sure you have a good idea of the expected results. Firstly, we load the data into a pandas data frame and explore the contents as well as some of the descriptive statistics. You can see two main characters, Dumbledore and Harry, as the most frequent results. While exploring the data set, we noted 3 records are self-referencing, which means the target and source contain the same name. For this project, we'll simply discard the records. At this point, we are ready to initialize a network graph object and turn the data frame into nodes and edges. And the second part of this project revolves around calculating a network and relationship metrics. We started with 3 centrality measures: degree centrality, and closeness centrality. They can be easily computed using the Network X built-in functions, but I will not go into specific math formulas, how they're calculated. You can interpret them as a number of relationships and the main central point of all relationships. And a simple output is presented here. I put it into a pandas data frame, and we will be focusing on the degree metric specifically to visualize it. So we use the degree values to highlight the color and the size of the nodes, and this is the result. And as expected, Harry, Ron, and Hermione are right in the middle, with Dumbledore and Voldemort right behind them. Next, we applied a similar approach to calculate diameter and eccentricity. You can think of it as the level of relationships, and the diameter is simply the maximum number of those relationships. They are returned as integers, as full integer values. And the diameter, in this case, we have 4. And we use the results to color code the groups or the levels, and we use a similar positioning of the graph as you saw the one above. And you can see that the 3 best friends are right in the middle, with some of the most commonly occurring characters around them, and the yellow ones, the yellow nodes, are, people that are only showing up in the movies and books sporadically. So to sum up, we explored 5 different metrics to analyze the relationship within the data set, and we leveraged the output to visualize it. Thank you.